Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given exponential equation to find the value of a. Our equation is 1 over a raised to the power a is equal to 1 over 4 raised to the power minus 1. When I see the left hand side of this equation, this can be written as a raised to the power minus a, because we know that 1 over x can be written as x raised to the power minus 1. So this is equal to the right hand side of this equation, 1 over 4 raised to the power minus 1. This can be written as this is equal to 4, because 1 over x raised to the power minus 1 can be written as x raised to the power 1. So in the next step, a raised to the power minus a, this 4, if I write minus 2 raised to the power 2, because minus 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to minus 2 times minus 2, this is equal to 4. So in the next step, a raised to the power minus a is equal to minus 2. This 2, if I write minus 2, because minus times minus is equal to plus. So this minus and this minus, when they multiply, they become plus. So we reach our destination. When you compare both sides, our base, this a is equal to the right hand side over this base, which is minus 2. Our minus sign, this minus sign is equal to this minus sign, and this power a in the exponent or minus 2 in the exponent. When you compare both sides, you can easily say that a is equal to minus 2. So this is my final answer, a equal to minus 2. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.